Welcome once again. In this video tutorial you will learn how to install the Foreprod tool. First, you will need to download Steam. This platform is one of the world's largest online stores for video games. Then you will need to create a Steam user and log in. After this, from the Steam store, you will have to download the free version of Foreprod. Let's look in detail at the installation process. In your browser, enter the Steam website. At the top part of the website, you can see the option to download Steam. Click on the download button. The platform will automatically detect your operating system. Then click on the install button. The application will be downloaded to your computer. Click on it and follow the installation steps. Click on it and follow the steps of installation. Remember that Steam is available for Windows and Mac. Once you install Steam, you'll see that it automatically updates to its latest version. This process may take a few minutes. After updating, you will see this window. Here you can create your account. For this you must have an active email. Please log in and confirm your email. Check the CAPTCHA and accept terms and conditions. Press the continue button. Then log into your email inbox and verify that you have a Steam confirmation email. Open the email and verify the email address. Then return to the Steam installation window. You will be asked to enter the details of your new account. Enter a valid user and assign a password. Finally, press the Done button. Now enter your credentials in the app. Ready? We completed the first step. Now we must download the Foreprod application. To do so, click on the Store option and then on the search engine type the text Foreprod. Several options will be displayed. Download the free version. For this, simply click on the Play option. Follow the installation steps. After you have installed the free version, you can purchase any of the Foreprod products by adding them to the shopping cart. Now click on the Library option. You will be able to see that Foreprod is ready to use. Click on the Foreprod icon and then click Play. Remember that you have at your disposal the tutorials tool where we explain in detail how to use the program. We hope you have fun using our prototyping lab.